In this guide, I'll show you how to download and install free games on your PS5 Pro. All you need is an internet connection and be signed into your PlayStation Network account. Then what you want to do is navigate over to the PlayStation Store, and we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now once you're here, you want to select free to play, and in order to see what the best free to play games are, what I recommend you do is select sort by filter on the left side, and from here you can sort by best selling, most downloaded, and more. So if we take a look at some of these games, we have Fortnite, we have Roblox, Apex Legends, Sims 4, Destiny, Valorant, and more. So select the game that you want to download. In this case, I'm just going to go with Valorant. And once you've selected it, you can simply just go to download. It'll be free. And then if you go back to the home menu after a few seconds, you should be able to see the game pop up, indicating it's being downloaded. And if not, you can always simply just press the PlayStation button and you'll be able to see it downloading right here. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.